Most people are using AI completely wrong. They type a simple prompt, get mediocre results, and assume AI just isn't that powerful. But what if the real problem isn't the AI? What if it's the prompts? Today we're looking at ThunderPrompts, a platform designed to help you create better prompts, better content, and better AI results without wasting hours figuring everything out yourself. Let's see if it's actually worth using. Welcome to AI Gold Rush Pro. On this channel, we explore AI tools, automation strategies, productivity systems, and ways to work smarter with artificial intelligence. One of the biggest problems with AI today is that most people don't know how to communicate effectively with these tools. The difference between a basic prompt and a well-structured prompt can completely change the quality of the output. That's where ThunderPrompts comes in. Instead of starting from scratch every time, it provides structured prompt systems and workflows designed to help users get better results faster. ThunderPrompts is designed to help users improve the way they interact with AI. From content creation and marketing to creative projects and business workflows, the platform focuses on providing practical prompt systems that can save time and improve results. The goal isn't simply generating content. The goal is generating better content with less effort. One of the most interesting aspects of ThunderPrompts is that it's built around real-world creative and marketing workflows. For example, the team behind the platform has used AI-generated content in actual advertising campaigns, including high-performing video ads. Many of the videos showcased throughout the platform were created using the same software and prompt systems available to users. Instead of starting with a blank page, you're working from proven frameworks that guide the scripting, content structure, and creative direction. This means you're not just getting a collection of random prompts. You're getting access to workflows designed to help generate fresh video ads, sales videos, social media content, and other marketing assets in a more efficient way. The platform also includes pre-loaded prompt templates that can be customized for different projects. You simply fill in key details, adapt the concept to your audience, and use AI to generate the content much faster than starting from scratch. For marketers and creators, that can significantly reduce the time spent brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, and organizing production workflows. One area where ThunderPrompts stands out is content creation. Whether you're creating blog content, social media posts, marketing copy, or video scripts, having structured prompts can dramatically speed up the process. Instead of spending time figuring out what to ask AI, you can focus on refining and improving the results. Another interesting feature is the creative workflow side. The platform demonstrates ways to create AI-generated images, visual concepts, and even video-related content. For creators, marketers, and agencies, this opens up additional opportunities for producing content more efficiently. If you'd like to explore ThunderPrompts for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Take a look at the platform and see whether it fits your workflow. ThunderPrompts may be particularly useful for content creators, business owners, marketers, freelancers, YouTubers, and anyone who regularly uses AI tools. If you're looking to save time and improve the quality of your AI results, structured prompt systems can make a noticeable difference. Overall, ThunderPrompts offers a practical approach to getting more value from AI. Rather than relying on trial and error, it provides systems, workflows, and prompt structures that help users work more efficiently. Whether you're creating content, building marketing campaigns, or experimenting with AI tools, it provides a framework that can simplify the process. And before you go, don't forget to grab the free AI prompt bundle linked in the description. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more AI tools, automation strategies, prompt engineering tips, and future ThunderPrompts tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.